The HTML video tag element.
How it works.
The controls attribute adds video controls like play, pause, and volume.
It is a good idea to always include width and height attributes. If height and width are not set, the page might flicker while the video loads. The source tag element allows you to specify alternative video files which the browser may choose from. The browser will use the first recognized format. The text between the less than video greater than and less than video greater than tags will only be displayed in browsers that do not support the video tag element. To start a video, automatically use the autoplay attribute. Note: Chromium browsers do not allow autoplay in most cases. However, muted autoplay is always allowed.
Add muted after autoplay to let your videos start playing automatically, but muted. Browser support.
The numbers in the table specify the first browser version that fully supports the video tag element. HTML video. Methods, properties, and events. The HTML DOM defines methods, properties, and events for the less than video greater than element. This allows you to load, play, and pause videos as well as setting duration and volume.
There are also DOM events that can notify you when a video begins to play, is paused, etc.
Thanks for watching. For more informative videos, please subscribe our channel Web AI 360.